Friday got a whole lot filmier, and we have only our stars to thank, from Kangana Ranaut getting ready to play Indira Gandhi in a political period drama to Sanjay Dutt promising some big KGF 2 news, a new star kid arriving on Instagram, and something fishy going on in the Kartik Janhvi love saga. Here are all the hottest headlines of the day. Kangana Ranaut may not be joining politics anytime soon, but no one said anything about playing one on the big screen. After Thalaivi, Kangana will now essay the role of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in an upcoming political drama. Spilling the beans about the film to Abis, she said, "It's not a biopic of Indira Gandhi, to be precise, a political drama that will help my generation to understand the socio-political landscape of current India. We already sense a controversy coming," but she continued, "Many prominent actors will be a part of this film, and of course I am looking forward to playing the most iconic leader that we have had in the history of Indian politics." What to expect in a political drama? More politics, of course. Moving on, Sanjay Dutt proved that he is a man of his word when he took to his handle to assure us all that a KGF Chapter 2 update is coming this evening. Set those timers to exactly 6:32 p.m. because the promise will be kept. KGF Chapter 2 release date announcement today, he wrote in a tweet. In some more filmy news, Hrithik Roshan may just be switching up his titles from Greek god to Great Indian God. That is, if there is any truth to these latest rumors. Call it divine intervention or whatever you want, but rumor has it that Hrithik will team up with Deepika Padukone for Madhu Mantena's big screen Ramayan saga, directed by Nitesh Tiwari. The two are reportedly being eyed to play the lead roles of Ram and Sita in the upcoming epic with a budget of godly proportions. No confirmation here just yet, but our bees will let you in on the dates soon enough. We interrupt our daily roundup to extend a warm welcome to the newest star kid on the gram, Shania Kapoor, the beauty who unlocked the doors to her fabulous social media life on Friday afternoon, and she had the entire Kapoor Khandan there to make some noise. After her Le Ball debut and an AD debut and social media debut, can we now finally expect a Bollywood debut? Talking about the Kapoors, Janhvi Kapoor raised eyebrows early this morning, and it has something to do with her rumored love life. The actress, who's been linked to her Dostana 2 co-star Kartik Aaryan, unfollowed and then followed the hunk, who did exactly the same thing. Had it not been for the screenshots, we would have thought our eyes were deceiving us. Trouble in Paradise or a Dostana update in the works? We'll let you decide. That's as filmy as we can get, so it's bye for now. We'll see you all next week.